In this video, I'll show you how to check your Facebook business profile step by step. If you want to view and manage your business profile, you can do it easily using the Facebook app or Meta Business Suite. First, open the Facebook app or visit Meta Business Suite and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your business. Next, tap your profile picture or the menu icon and switch to your business profile or Facebook page if needed. Once you're on your business profile, you'll be able to see your business name, profile picture, cover photo, contact information, business category, and other public details. To manage your profile, tap Edit Profile or Page Settings, where you can update your business information, business hours, website, phone number, address, and other details. You can also open the Professional Dashboard or Meta Business Suite to access insights, messages, notifications, and additional business tools. Review your profile regularly to make sure all your business information is accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.